Karakal, acrobatic super cat of East Africa, is known to leap so high he can actually pluck a bird out of flight. This young male is hungry. Now he faces exhaustion. A slippery slope that can easily lead to starvation. But giving up is not in the Karakal's DNA. Although he's just 18 inches tall, the cat's rear leg muscles can launch him 10 vertical feet into the air to swipe birds in flight. To withstand hard landings, the cat's padded leg joints act like shock absorbers. But his prey is no pushover. The guinea fowl, one of Africa's fastest running birds. Eyes on the side of its head allow this hen to spot the cat before he's within striking distance. But each time the bird slips away, the Karakal tracks her with all its senses on alert. The cat's sense of smell is keen, and its eyes excel at day and night hunting. But its secret weapon is a pair of super sensitive elongated ears, controlled by no fewer than 20 separate muscles. The cat can move each ear independently to triangulate the location of targets as far as 600 feet away. Now, they pick up the faint sounds in the grass only 10 yards away. This 4-pound hen can run as fast as 20 feet per second. But this time, the cat's too close to outrun. There is only one way out: up. Guinea fowl can burst into the sky with top speeds of 21 miles per hour. But these birds lack the stamina to fly more than 100 feet at a time. As this hen comes down, the cat is ready. The struggle is over in less than a minute. When the Karakal closes the hen's windpipe, she suffocates and dies.
One last leap.
This encounter with a Canada lynx was an exceptionally unusual opportunity to be in close proximity, observing for this length of time. His silver-brown coat is his winter coloring. In summer, it becomes a reddish-brown. Lynx are ideally suited for travel in deep snow with broad fur-covered feet. Their first toe is spread like a thumb, allowing them to float high in the snow and gives them excellent traction. A lynx is generally larger than a bobcat. However, the largest bobcat trumps the size of a lynx. Lynx have special teeth. The nerves in their canines are minutely sensitized, so the lynx can actually feel where they are biting its prey. Also, due to the unusual spacing of its teeth, it can only chew its meat with its head tipped to the side. They are furtive and mainly nocturnal, seeking shelter in dense forest. Usually solitary, they sometimes travel in small groups, roaming 1.5 to 3 miles a day. They typically live within a 19 square mile range, but have been known to encompass 300 square miles, dependent upon the abundance or scarcity of prey. When competitive species are present, lynx will move to deeper snow or higher elevations to hunt. Even though a cat species, they do not hesitate to swim when needed and enjoy the water. Similar to dogs, they scent or mark their territory. A lynx's preferred prey is the snowshoe hare, but when short on food, they will also take down a deer. Surprisingly, lynx do not have much endurance or stamina. They exert great speed over short distances, up to approximately 36 feet. However, they will conserve their energy, and if not quickly successful in capturing their prey, will give up the chase.